Welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how you can reduce lag in Roblox mobile. This tutorial will be step by step, so make sure you follow it carefully. Firstly, we have to open settings on your iPhone, then we get a lot of things here, and for some of you it will be really strange, but don't worry, you just have to follow what am I doing. Firstly, we must find accessibility option, and there you must click on display and text size. Now you have more options here. All you have to do is click on reduce transparency. After that, we must go back, and now we are finding privacy and security section, and we are looking for location services. We click there and we are turning that off. Also coming back to same section, go tracking and turn that off too. That's it, your lag will be reduced significantly by this way, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, leave a like and hit subscribe button for more tutorials.